Hey there, welcome back friends. Now we have almost completed with JSP and servlet, right? And now moving forward, we will try to understand what is Hibernate, what is ORM and things like that. Now friends, Hibernate is very popular and very widely used tool. This is a object relational mapping tool which is very interesting, very useful, and this is something which we will discover in coming sections. So moving forward, we will cover Hibernate. We will try to understand this amazing tool which Java provides, and then moving forward, we will try to integrate Hibernate with JSP and servlet and try to create an amazing application. Alright, so something interesting is coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the course. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.